Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I got that over. Watch a fat man move his legs.
Sorry.
Wanna what?
No.
He just barked.
Okay. Okay.
Too much of me.
Fine.